Hello, this is Corey Watson with another toy review, and today I am reviewing Transformers Siege War for Cybertron Ratchet, exclusive from Walmart. I got him on Wednesday this week. So yes, he's a very awesome figure. Ever since I saw him, I was like, I have to get this Ratchet because he has nice paint apps. He has nice paint apps, a nice design, everything. He has all the battle damage on his foot and up here on his legs. And he has that glare plastic for the window. He has really good, nice designs on this figure, like they do on each Transformers figure, basically. And also he has tools or weapons. He has this wrench to fix the other Autobots, and he has this like gun or a thing. He has this like kind of gun thing he could hold in his hand, or he could also use that to fix the Autobots, like a blowtorch or something. And he has this. It sticks onto his back, and there's a peg right here. He could also hold it in his hand, like so. And he could also hold the wrench. So yes. So yes. And also he could attach it to his back like this. You could move this any way you want to. And he has some posability. This thing could move back and up. He has arm articulation. He could move his arm out that far. Swivel all the way. Bend at the knee. Swivel at the arm, at the wrist. He can move his head all the way 360. He has leg movement. It could move out that far, up that far, and back that far. It could bend at the knee, swivel at the leg, and his legs could move like this. He could do the splits. Yep. So yeah, he has a good amount of posability. And also because his body mold is the same as Ironhide. Actually, a long time ago, when they made the toy, they had like the same vehicle mode. And they're still doing that now. Ironhide and Ratchet had like the same vehicle mode from the old show and toy, and also in Transformers Animated, but not in the movie. They were two different vehicles. But in Transformers Siege, this version, they're the same vehicle again. He's more ambulance. He has these tools so he could help fix the Autobots. That's why. When they battle in the war, when the Autobot is like down on the ground, he has to come and help them. So yes. And also we have some comparisons. So yes. So yes, the first comparison is the same series as him. Siege War for Cybertron Springer. Yes, this guy, I definitely like Springer as well. He could transform into two vehicle modes. He's a triple changer. I really like this figure as well. Yes. He's Ratchet is slightly almost the same size as Springer. Next, we have Tiger. That robot, same size. Now, Acid Storm. He's a little bit more smaller. And Dropkick, he's very small. And now Grimlock, big. Shadow Striker, big. Then we have the Skylanders, the first ones. Smaller. Oh yeah, then we have Slug. I say at least the same size. Then some Ben 10 figures. We have Ben, very small. And then we have Heat Blast, small. Then Army Enhanced Heat Blast, small. And then we have Optimus Prime, another figure that I like. He's really big, Optimus Prime. Very big. Now, time to transformation. Time to do his transformation. So yes, we start first by putting his head down.